What's up, everybody? Brad at Proformance Unlimited, your dyno tuner on the dyno today. We have a Windsor stroker motor. Just got done making some beautiful power on the dyno here. This one happens to have the dual snipers on here, with the nice chrome snipers on here. Has this gorgeous Concept 1 kit on this motor right here. Has the Edelbrock intake to match with these snipers. Got a box paint black. Everything's all set up. It's going into a 67 Mustang. If you want anything to power your ride and you want something to look cool, something that makes power, do not hesitate to give us a call. We'll be here to power your ride, make it look good, make it sound good. 1-800-267-3940.